Hi guys, this is Eunice, and you're not going to see my face in this video. What I'm going to be doing today is I do have a client who wanted me to repair a wig for her, to wanted to fill it in. So what I did, I went ahead and ventilated and filled in this wig for her. Now she does have a new wig that she's wearing, one of our ready wigs and so far, but now she'll have two wigs to change into. And as you can see this little sprigs of the hair where I ventilated in. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to just be going through this and just trimming out that hair and everything. So when she picks the hair up, without it'll be all ready for her to do. And I haven't done one of these videos in a long time with dealing with the hair, but we do have wigs and things on our website, and the reason we do is because we do promote healthy hair for natural hair, and we also aid women with hair loss and hair thinning. So what I'm doing is basically just giving this wig a trim, and I'm starting from the bottom and all that, and getting these little um, twigs out of the way. I call them, well, some people call them fish tails or whatever, but we're gonna get rid of these first, and then we're just gonna go in and trim these away from the other hair and all that. So, and we're gonna do this without actually touching the hair on this wig that is already, there. So we're going to just go through each section and so forth, and trim these. Some people, like I said, call them fish tails and all that. So we're just gonna go through these and see if we can't get them out before she picks the wig up. Because it's very important when you go to curl your hair, you don't have all the fishtail stuff, strings and all that and everything. So let's see if we can get this here up for the back so that you can see what I'm doing. And I might do some, but she'll be here, and we can, if I did something, when she checks the wig out, I can always trim it and do whatever needs to be done when she gets here. But I'm hoping that we'll be all settled with that. You know what I'm saying? So now she has two wigs to wear and all that. So when she wants to switch up, she'll be able to, and this wig will be full enough for her to do that. It's not a whole lot, because when you hold the hair up, you can actually see these really well, and just, snip them off, which is the only thing I'm doing. And I'm doing this without cutting her hair, because she wants the same length that she came with. So we just added. And we're going to it's really important when you're doing these trimmings is to have good scissors so that you don't have a lot of time on the wig. So here we go. Almost done. It doesn't take long. All I'm doing again is just getting these little fish tails off of these braids that I cut. Yep. And okay, and that's that. Shake it loose. Shake the hair and everything. And she is ready to go. And all that. So, and then she can, wash and, curl it the way she normally has it and everything. And she's got 2 weeks to change into. And that's it. Thank you.